picked up 2 early fouls back in game 1.
But you can see deliberately he's trying to stay away. 5 points in the ball game now for Scotty Thompson.
What a slithery move mula dito. Banchero trying to stay patient. Pero 4 na segundo na lang yan. Banchero punches it through.
3-point shot. And I think he has what, 9?
Black on the move off the secondary. Black with a layup. And just like that, Abarientos stopping on a dime. He has come on strong, Dr. J.
Mahirap hintuin yun dahil pinapasok mo all the way to the 3-second area. It was only an 8-footer. May foul to give dito. Ang daming...
Cancino thought about the 4, drives closer. Cancino to the side step.
Nice move. Nice Euro set there. M1. Pero naman sa offensa, maaasahan nito. Si Cancino.
Best move of the game natin to. Nahatid sa atin ang Ponsa. Mitchell. Inside to Hodge. And 1. Para kay Cliff.
That's a foul. Yes. Nabasa na ng Meralco anong ginagawa nila. Lalo na doon sa ibon. Pag nagpo-poste.
Dito sa kabilang dulo.
Parehong penalty pero...
Another assist for Mitchell. Rios with a hit. And look at Mitchell all fired up.
Ay, hindi nila ma-adjust kasi wala silang shot blocker kung wala silang nila.
Scotty gets the basket. Mikasama bang foul.
Wala nang Mitchell dun eh. Wala nang medyo ang lakas ng loob itong mga sumasakot lang.
Scotty, Black to the corner. Pinto puts it up.
Yeah!
7-0 counter by the Meralco Bolts. Will force Ginebra into this timeout. At the other side, it's an and 1 para kay Newsom.
9-0 run and maybe 10-0 run, but lalong parang mga tigre ito na sugatan, biglang nagalit ako.
Kanina pa nasa penalty ni Meralco. Scotty for 3. Bang! 5 unanswered from the 2021 MVP. Will force a timeout from Coach Luigi. Scotty Thompson, bibigay kay JB. Fly by 3.
Dalawang beses siya pinasangin maloto, parehong in-score niya.
Pabasa nila. In the third quarter before having to sit. Rios lights it up.
Buhay na buhay ang laro ng Meralco. Their frame of mind is not being
Foul niya, offensive eh. Abarientos against Black. Quick release. RJ Abarientos with 12 points. And, Coach Luigi and Coach Nana have seen enough. RJ. Hodge makes a move, spins baseline, drops it off to Akeem.
Ngayon lang siya pumuntos ulit. Akala mo madaling magpuntos, so that's only 11 point, no?
Double-double now para dito kay Akil Mitchell. What a decision here by Hodge. Siyempre, no choice si Brownlee kung hindi tumulong kay Abarientos. Bibigay kay Malonzo. Triple is good for JB. Kumakawag-kawag pa ang barangay niya.
Sa kampyonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro tapos yun na.